halftime, we felt like we played a really good first half, and even though we played a great first half, doing the things we wanted to do, they still had a 1-point lead, and that just goes to show how talented they are. They have just such great talent and balance around their lineup, and so many guys who can attack. So really, it really came down to us defensively, how well we played defensively, I thought we turned it up a little bit in the second half, played a little even better defense. But then it was I want to say it's the RJ show. He had a tremendous second half. But you got to can't forget Scotty, who ends up having a triple-double as well. So it was really a complete team exercise tonight.
What's your attention na delivering, especially in the fourth quarter, how people didn't knock down shots this critical time for the game?
Well, he's got that capability. We all know that. We've seen it in the past. He can get going almost Steph Curry-like, where he can just find an area that's open on the floor and pull it up there and it's going to go in. And he came up with it. I actually complained to him a little bit in the middle of the second quarter, early in the second quarter. I told him he wasn't looking for a shot enough. He was passing the ball, and I said he needed to look for a shot more. And so he came out second half and looked for it, and it went in. I had the same problem with him oftentimes that I do with his uncle, Johnny, in the past. They want to be point guards. They want to be pure point guards, and both of them were really capable scorers, and they kind of forget that part of the game sometimes. So they need to be reminded, take a few shots, but it's, his DNA is to be a point guard and set people up, but he's got a lot more ability than just a normal point guard.
I think sa young players dito sa PBA, we've been hitting big shots, even in the playoffs ngayon, we've been close nung kailangan nyo pull away. Kasi your thoughts on talagang mahilig ka sa high-point time?
First of all, just playing the game, just reading the game, yung mga binibigay sa akin ng defense. And remember the first half earlier, Coach Tim went to me. He said I'm not looking for my shot and I'm not aggressive. So yun yung siguro tinatak ko sa utak ko, and then I keep reminding myself na hindi ako gumalaw or hindi ako makapag-contribute sa team kasi kami lang naman inaasahan dito. So I'm very happy and thankful sa mga coaches just to keep reminding kami na parang maglaro na maayos. So yeah, hats off sa team and sa coach, sa coaching sa kanila.
Coach, very nice. Coach, you held down one goal to just 9 points, I believe, and just take around to just 6 points. Obviously, that was coach.
Yeah, as I said earlier, I just thought it was a really complete team defensive job tonight. Juan came out, hit the first 7 points of the game, and we're like, oh no, here we go again. But I thought Scotty came out, played really, really tough. RJ came out, played in the second quarter, played really tough, and then Steph, and then Stephen had it for a little bit. So it was really like a tag team out there, and all three of them really, really worked hard. It's really hard to defend him, and it takes everybody to do it. And so, like I said, I just thought it was really a great team defensive effort tonight, and that was the difference in the game.
Ang pinangyan naman si Pancho Castellano dahil the last time 32 points lang ay hindi ko naman.
Wala naman siguro sa mindset ko yun. So sabi nga ni Coach Tim, lahat sila capable to score anybody until sa second or third string nila. So they have a lot of deep players and great individual skills. So di hindi naman kami tumitingin sa nililimit namin si Juan, nililimit namin si Balti o si Alana. We're not looking for that. We're just limiting them na parang makapag-contribute, not on individual. So, we're glad and we're happy na na-contribute namin lahat, especially on defense. Lalo na yung second group and third group namin na nakapag-sustain sa mga players na alam mo pag pinasok ng Converge is talagang gagawa for Coach Pineda. So, yun lang. Siguro nag-stay na kami sa system and naging greedy lang kami until yung second quarter. And then, that's why nakuha siguro namin yung panalo.
Pero at least, pamilya ka sa laro yung iwan ko dahil kasama ka niyo.
Yeah, nagkasama kami sa Gilas before and I think sa Japan also nagkasama din kayo. Pero magkalaban. So, we're playing overseas together. So, yeah, kaya medyo familiar sa Iceland.
Last question. Coach, how do you see the door is coming your decade will set up?
Every game is different. I think that's one of the things we really try to emphasize. It's not going to be the same. We know that. They're really well coached. They got some really, good minds over there. Coach Pineda has really proven himself that he knows what he's doing, not just in this league, but in other leagues. They're going to come up, and I think the young guys are really going to try to come back and really push hard. So, it's going to be a different game. Basically, we know it's going to be different. They're going to be like this tonight, and we're going to have to figure out a way to continue to defend them.
Salamat, Marty. Paano yung position ang nangyari yun?
Siguro, sinepuan niya talagang pagod na kasi lahat ng players. So, talagang nag-pressure mag-hit ng that's unnecessary for me. Talagang, to be honest, talagang nag-jump siya sa may stomach ko. So, pero it was this game, yung mind game. So, okay lang na ginawa niya yun. So, just move on. Wala nang para sa akin.
Would that be motivation for the next week?
My motivation is to win. So, wala akong pa sa nangyari. So,
That's the action.
yeah.